to my channel. So for today's eyebrow tutorial, you're gonna be needing your eyebrow spoolie, an angled brush, your concealer, blending brush, and most definitely you're gonna be needing your eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna start by marking my brow with the eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna be using the darker shade first to mark my eyebrow. You want to try to make sure not to fill in the first part of your brow, because you want to make sure that your eyebrow looks as natural as possible. So now I'm gonna take my angled brush and then I'm gonna mark it as thin or thick as to how I want it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer. and then you're gonna start blending. So when blending the top part of your brow, you want to make sure you blend it upwards, and under the bottom you want to blend it downwards towards your eye. Then you're gonna take your spoolie. As I say, you want to always keep the front part of your brow as natural as possible. So when filling in your brow, you don't want to start filling in from the beginning. You want to leave the beginning. And that is if you're going for a natural look, of course. And you can always go back and use your angled brush to shape it or do any touching up of your brow if you wish. And there you have it. And there you have it, guys, my easy eyebrow tutorial. And thank you guys so much again for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Like this video, leave a comment, share the link with a friend, and I have a lot more interesting videos coming for you guys. So I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so go ahead and share the link, share with a friend, and let's just keep the love going. And thank you guys again so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.